How to fix YouTube stuttering in Chrome, Edge, Brave, etc. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are experiencing stuttering issues while watching YouTube videos in Chromium-based browsers like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Brave, you are in the right place. Today, I'll show you a quick fix that might just resolve those annoying playback problems. So, if your YouTube videos are being unwatchable due to stuttering, it can be really frustrating, but don't worry, there's a potential solutions that involves tweaking an experimental feature in your browser. This features we are going to disable is called the experimental QUIC protocol. Yes, it is spelled QUIC, all in capitals. This protocols can sometimes cause issues with video playback, so disabling it might smooth things out. So let's go into the steps. First, open your browser and go to address bar. Then you can follow the prompt as shown in the screen. Once you're in the flags page, use the search bar to look for QUIC. You should see the experimental QUIC protocol option appear. Now, change the settings from default to disabled. This will turn off the QUIC protocol. After you have made that changes, make sure to restart your browser for the changes to take effect. Once you're back, try watching your YouTube videos again and see if the problem still persists. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.